Yo guys, how's it going, and welcome back to this video today. Today guys, what I'm going to be going into is 3 funnels that you can do to 10x your social media marketing agency really goddamn quickly. As soon as you start to understand these 3 funnels that I'm going to go through, everything will change in your business, your life will change. So if you're watching this now, make sure to get out a pen, piece of paper. I'm about to absolutely drop the value for you guys. So let's not mess about anymore and hop right into it. What is a funnel? Now, 99% of you will probably know what a funnel is, but when you think of a funnel, you maybe think of a webinar funnel or a landing page funnel or click funnels and things like that. I'm stripping it way back. I'm going way simpler just to make you understand this today, because really all that a funnel is this. You put something in the top, something comes out the bottom. In terms of business, you put customers in the top, you get money out the bottom. It really is as simple as that. That is the most simple business funnel in the world. Customers in the top, money out at the bottom, okay? That's all that a funnel is. You put something in the top, it funnels through, you get something different out of the bottom. Very basic. So what are the 3 funnels that you can use to 10x your income and 10x your life in your social media marketing agency? It comes down to 3 things. So I'm gonna be going through 3 today, like I said, and you got your personal one. So, you know, how you can make the most out of your personal funnel, your business funnel, and then your customers funnel. Because there are 3 types here. Nothing else matters, because that's all that business really is. It's you, your business, and your customers. That's really all it is. You could argue money. Well, money comes from your customers. You could argue employees and staff. Well, you need to hire those. So that comes from you and your business. So really, it comes down, like I said, I'm breaking this right back today. I'm stripping everything back and getting straight to the point. There really are only 3 core funnels you have to worry about. Your personal, your business, and your customers. So first things first today, let's go through our personal funnel. And what do I mean by this? We're talking about business. This is a business YouTube channel. We're talking about making money today. So what we want to get out of the bottom is money. We want to get lots of money out of the bottom. So what do you think you guys have to put in the top of this funnel to get the most money out of the bottom? I'll give you guys a couple of seconds to think about it. It really is simple, my friends. It really is simple. When you're working on yourself, you simply need the information. Because if you know how to make $100, you're probably only going to make $100. You might make $200 if you get lucky, but that's still only $200. If you have the information to make $1 million, well, you may make 500K, you may actually make $1 million. The key here is information. If you want more money at the bottom, you need to feed yourself information and information. And not just from one source, because the more information you get, the more money you get. And the key thing here is, the more quality information you get, the more quality money you get at the bottom, the more money you make. So, ignore my handwriting, by the way. My handwriting is terrible. Hopefully you can still understand it. But the more quality information you get, the more money you make. So, yes, you can watch free content. I go ham on my free content. I drop as much value as I can for free for you guys. But there really is no better information than paid information. So, what can you use to make more money? Courses are a fantastic investment, okay? Coaches and mentors. Coaches. What about books? What about seminars? What about mastermind groups? Facebook groups, things like that. There is an abundance of information out there which you learn. The more information you put in, guess what? The more of these that come in, the more of these that you get out the bottom. So it all starts with your personal funnel, because it's all good having business and customers. We're kind of going through an order here. This is the first funnel, because without this, you're not going to be able to get onto that second business funnel. Because if you don't know how to start a business, you don't know how to invest in yourself and know how to make money, it's not going to happen. So your first one here is personal. The more information you put out, the more money you make. Okay, so what's another funnel we can do? Let me just rub all of this out really quickly. So, another thing for personal, what else can you do to get the most out of the bottom? What about the food you put into your body? So if you put crap bad food in your body, what kind of results do you think you're going to get out the bottom? You're going to get bad results at the bottom, okay? Bad food, bad results, because you're going to have less energy. You're not going to be as focused. You're not going to have as much clarity, okay? Your brain is powered by food. The quality of food you eat, the quality of results you get. So, food, exercise, hydration, water, all of this stuff that you put into your body is going to lead to more money, because if you can be more productive, have more clarity, be more creative because of what you're putting into your system, you are a system, you're going to get more results at the bottom. You're going to make more money, because even if it leads to 10% more focus, 20% more focus, 100% more focus, well, what's that going to mean? That compounds over time. 100% focus every single day over the course of a year, that compounds. And it's going to lead to you making more money. You're going to be more positive. You're going to be more attractive to people. People are going to want to spend time with you because of that. So, you know, and that again stems back to the last point, information. Maybe you're uneducated. Maybe you don't know what's good for you. Maybe you've been brought up not knowing that you need to stay hydrated and you need to do this. And if you don't, you need to. Back to this point again. You need to learn. So, to end out this first funnel here, your personal funnel, you really just need to fill yourself with positive stuff. Education, invest in courses, in coaches, invest in the information you need to start your business. Put good things in your body, you're going to get good and better, fantastic results coming out the bottom. So that's the first funnel here. The second funnel that I want you to understand is your business funnel. Now, how does a business work? Very, very, very simple. If you don't have any cash flow and you're not making any money, you do not have a business. I don't care if you have CEO in your Instagram bio. If you don't make any more money, you're a CEO of no company. Okay, you don't make any money, you do not have a business. So, again, what do we need at the bottom of this funnel? We need money. And who has our money? Very, very simple. Back to basics. We need customers. Okay, how are we going to make more money? The more customers in the top of our funnel, the more money we make at the bottom of our funnel. So obviously, we're speaking about social media marketing today. We're speaking about your social media marketing agency. So how do you think you're going to get more customers? Now, the obvious thing to say here is, you know, if you cold call more people. Okay, but that's basic, okay? That is very, very basic. Although that is true, the more people you cold call, you know, the better results you're going to get. But you also have to make sure, if you are cold calling as an example, you're cold calling the right people, because let's say the bottom of your funnel is this big, but you put something in the funnel that's that big, it ain't going to come out the bottom. So you need to make sure that you're filling this funnel with quality leads, with quality people. And how do you do that? Very, very simple, guys. You need to open up your business to different sources of lead generation. So, LinkedIn. Let's just use, for argument's sake, let's say LinkedIn is 1 litre of water, right? If you put LinkedIn in, 1 litre of water in, you're going to get 1 litre of water out. Let's say, on top of LinkedIn, to get clients, you start doing cold calls, which is another litre of water. All of a sudden, you've got 2 litres coming out the bottom. Okay? My personal favourite for getting warm leads and quality leads that convert super, super easy, freelance websites. Maybe this is 4 litres of water. Boom. Maybe you want a cold email. Maybe you want to go to some networking events. Boom, 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 boom. You get the point. The more lead generation sources you have at the top of your funnel, the more outreach you do, the more money you make. I don't care, guys, okay? I'm going to rub all of this out again now. I don't care. Right? You need to make money at the bottom. I don't care if you create business cards at the top of this funnel, okay? If that's what you want to do, if your front end is creating business cards, what are you getting at the bottom of that funnel? What is the reward for that action? You tell me. Zilch. Nothing. Absolutely zero. So that funnel is pointless. You might as well not even have a funnel. There is no funnel, okay? Whereas if you have a funnel with tons of different opportunities and options and lead generation sources, that's how you're going to make money. And this is something that I really want to change your mind on. Again, the amount of funnels I keep drawing here. But people see freelance websites as just somewhere that you hire people cheap, or somewhere that you can hire people for $3 an hour. That is not true. Freelance websites are a source of lead gen, okay? And the more lead generation sources you have at the top of your funnel, the more customers you are going to get. It is as simple as that. Even if you did outreach on these freelance websites, and that led to you landing only one client a year because of it, but that client a year pays you 2K a month, that is a 24K a year lead generation source. That is a 24 grand a year lead generation source. It is as simple as that. We're talking big numbers here for your social media marketing agency. So the more options, the more lead generation sources you're tapping into, the more money you're going to make. It really is simple. If you don't have any experience, it doesn't matter. Keep plowing away, because someday someone will hire you. And the fact is, if you've taken my course, or you've been coached by me, or you've watched a lot of my YouTube videos, you'll know in fact, if you dedicate daily outreach on these freelance websites, you're going to land a lot more than one client a year. You know, I've had months where I've landed 10 to 15 clients off of one lead generation source. One lead generation source, landing me 10 clients a month. So, you know, and we're talking freelance websites here. We're talking basics. We're overviewing this now, but there's people per hour, there's Upwork, there's Fiverr.com, there's Freelancer. That's 5 different freelance websites right there. That's 5 different options for your lead gen for the top of your funnel. Then you add cold emails, cold calls. Then you maybe hire a team of cold callers on commission. All of a sudden, your funnel is getting wider and wider, and more money is coming out the bottom, and you are building an empire. Okay? But if all you do is do stupid stuff at the top of this funnel, like create your business cards, you know, like coming up with a name for your agency and stuff like that, you're not going to get anything out the bottom. And I have to say this again, I'm really sorry about my handwriting. It's trash, but you get the point, okay? So that is the second funnel here. The second funnel is your business funnel. More customers at the top, more money out the bottom. Dive deeper into that, more lead gen sources, okay? You need to tap into as many as possible, and you will make more money. Finally, guys, the third and final one here is your customer funnel. Because look, we're talking about a social media marketing agency here. So look, your customers have a funnel too, because they have a business. You want to make your customers money in a social media marketing agency. You don't just want to make yourself money, you want to make your customers money. So how can you do that? Again, very simple, guys. It comes down to results, okay? If you are getting your customers results and making them money, it's going to do a full circle and lead to them staying for you for longer, because they're making more money, so you make more money. They will never leave you. If you get fantastic, right? If you get absolutely fantastic, now whether this is you doing it yourself, whether you hire a team of top 1% experts, but if you get absolutely fantastic at your service delivery, okay? Maybe you do Facebook ads, for example, okay? So up here we'll just put Facebook ads, service delivery, okay? At the top of the funnel, maybe let's say they're paying you 1K a month. We'll just keep the numbers simple, okay? But at the bottom, you're making them 10K a month. They will never leave you. Your customer's funnel is money is coming in, your results are coming in, the money's coming out, your customers are happy. And that is the third and final funnel that I want you guys to understand. It's not just about you, it's not just about your business, it's about more than that. It's about your service delivery, it's about providing the best service and getting results for your client. Because the truth is, not one of these is more important than the other, because if you have all 3 funnels working together in synergy, down here is a big old pool of money, because you've got 1 funnel lead in here, 2 funnels lead in here, 3 lead in here. Because the more information you learn, the more money you'll make from your business. The more money you make from your business, the more clients you get, the more clients you can make happy and make them money, which means they may give you referrals. Your name will build up. All of a sudden, you get recommended to a friend of a friend who sometimes in business, you never know how this works. You don't put yourself, I think I'm a huge believer in that opportunity meeting preparation is kind of like luck, but sometimes you get a bit lucky. Sometimes you get recommended to a huge business owner. Maybe just you get a client, get them fantastic results, and they happen to be friends with someone at Apple Computers, and therefore you end up doing some marketing jobs for Apple, and you've now built yourself a solid foundation for your business to set you up for the rest of your career because of that. Maybe you end up, because of the results you get, maybe you end up getting fantastic results and you end up in Entrepreneur Magazine. Who knows? But, okay, so just to overview it one more time, you've got your personal, your business, and your customers. What you put in here, the information you put in here is going to lead to better results, which means you'll be able to get more clients into the top of here because of the information. You guys don't know how to get social media marketing clients using freelance websites? I have a training program. Invest in that training program, which is going to then give you the information to get more clients into the top of this business funnel, which is then going to lead to you making more money. And because you get clients, and because of the information you've invested in here, to know how to get them results and hire a team and things like that, all of a sudden this funnel keeps on going, and this funnel takes you into here, and you've got your clients funnel, and you're going to get them fantastic results, which in turn is going to make them more money, which makes you more money, because the more money you make them, the more money you charge. You can increase your retainer, you can upsell them. Not only that, you can get referrals from your clients because you're doing such a good job. And sometimes in life you may just get referred to the right person, like we've touched on, and it can set up your whole career. Now really what this funnel should look like, really they're not three separate funnels. I mean, kind of all they are is one big funnel that sort of drips into one. So you've got one that drips into the other, which drips into the other, which drips into the other, okay? But it's so important that the stuff that you put into your body, the information you put into the body, the clients you bring into your business, the results that you put in to your clients essentially, is top quality. Because if you do that, you're going to get top quality results. So guys, I hope you found some value in today's video. I want you to put a comment in the comment section down below with your biggest takeaway, and also drop a like on the value if you did find some value. If you guys do want to know even more, know exactly how to build a six-figure social media marketing agency without cold calling, using these freelance websites super easily, I do have a training program that's going to be linked down below, which I highly recommend you check out. It's super cheap for the value you're going to get, and you can enroll in it today. Get started today, start getting some clients, and change your life for good. So if you guys did find some value, make sure to subscribe, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.